The Storyologists at Page Turner Adventures present 20,000 Books Under the Sea. When Penny accidentally releases a tail snail in Page Turner's lighthouse library that begins devouring stories, our heroes Brook, and Cliffhanger discover that only a book from the Lost Library of Atlantis can save the day.
Hidden there beneath the ocean blue, an adventure waits for you. Each salmon, starfish, squid, and shell has a story to tell.
With help from Page Turner's Once Upon a Time machine and a magical submarine, Brook and Cliff embark on an epic underwater quest to search for the magical sea stones that will lead them to the Lost Library of Atlantis. They travel to the Great Barrier Reef, the Bermuda Triangle, the Arctic Ocean, and the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, as well as the Mariana Trench. Along the way, they learn fascinating facts.
That is a hydromedusa jellyfish.
Did you know that 70% of the Earth is covered in ocean?
And solve riddles and clues.
We have to put the stone on the compass.
Right, and then it will give us another clue.
Then our heroes and the viewers get to test their knowledge of the sea with a game show.
Welcome to Triply Amazing, the game show that tests your knowledge of the sea. Your prize? A sea stone for the secret compass.
Okay, Storyologists, we're going to need your help answering these questions.
Now here's your host, Hamish, the mantis from Atlantis.
And don't forget the fish sticks.
How did the shellfish hide from the otter? Camouflage.
And since we are Storyologists, there are, of course, lots of stories.
And lots of hands-on activities to extend the creativity, imagination, and fun.
With stories, songs, adventure, humor, and boatloads of fascinating information about the ocean and the creatures that live there. 20,000 Books Under the Sea is a series for kids 4 to 9 years old that's in a league of its own.
Down below, ancient mysteries. Down below, feel that ocean breeze. I should bring my skis.
I just know our wheeze,
And it's 12 degrees. Down below.
What did a shark eat with its peanut butter sandwich? A jellyfish!